And we'll talk a bit about molded stick lines. Of course, if I look here in India, over the last few years, the growth in molded stick lines has been enormous, and consequently, of course, the molded stick products on the market. A lot of those products are, you can say, relatively simple products, price point, or where you compete on the price point, but you have a high volume. So obviously, high capacity molding is getting more and more important. But at the same time, you don't want to waste your product. So high operational efficiency and consequently also minimum waste is of course very, very important. Our latest Rollo, or as we call our rotary stick bar freezers, is our Rollo 35 F2, which is a stick line now where we can go up to 28 lanes and giving a capacity of up to 42,000 sticks per hour, which is an enormous capacity. You can say the points that I will focus on very much is that on the Rollo we have a number of servo motor drives for the main motions. We have a servo positive layoff to the wrapping machine and of course a full PLC control. What does that bring to you as a manufacturer, those points there? You can say this is just to show a typical line, a couple of freezers connected to the rotary machine, inline extraction and a multi-lane wrapping machine. And in a line like this we would typically have the main drive for the mold would be servo motor driven. On the extractor, when you extract, servo motor driven. The main extractor, servo motor driven. The layoff to the wrapping machine, servo motor driven. And again, the wrapping machine is also fully servo motor driven. That also means that we are in full control of all the lanes on the wrapping machine. We know what we can put in sensors, etc. So we know exactly any pocket in the mold table, is there a product or is there not a product. And then of course there will be a number of other control features where you can say you can control individual pillars, you can again also have maintenance prompts, etc. But some of the benefits, or the biggest benefits of the servo motor, if you start by looking at the servo motor on the mold drive, this is of course in full synchronization with the pillars, and very often there will also be servo drive on some of the pillars. It also means that when if you detect there's non-extracted products, then you can tell your mold table, once you get to the filling station, stop filling because there are products in the pocket. You know, the worst thing to happen, if you have a full pocket and then you overfill with ice cream, that may mean in worst case you need to stop the production and restart again, so you lose significant time.